Has to reset that. You can't have that.
No, I didn't know if I was.
That is.
What?
I just realized how smooth it is. That slide.
What'd you do to it?
It's
like all excited.
I don't know. I lightened the trigger a lot.
I'm like barely trying.
Like it requires like no effort.
You should lighten up my ATP trigger.
No, I only do high capas.
But have you seen my ATP?
No.
My ATP is slowly becoming a race gun.
Okay.
You never seen an ATP race gun?
No.
Well, neither have I, but I'm making one. Yeah.
Let's go. Go play with.
Yay, Chris!
Come on. I always get switched. It's pissing me off. I know.
You're up one kid.
Anally raped.
Do you guys really care?
Yeah. I don't feel like getting a giant. I just hate having tape on and tape off. It ruins the Velcro.
I can't tell whether or not it's true.
They always put it up here. I'm like, put it down here.
I always
but
put it
it
down
actually
there.
does usually happen like that though.
That's fine. Does Eddie tape?
I do.
Actually, these are all older guys.
Wow.
All right, we're playing domination.
It's good.
You hit me in my nuts before. I was wondering what that was.
AJ, I didn't want to switch.
Yeah? Is that yours?
Can I shoot it? Is this the first
Can I shoot that?
What's the pressure is this? Holy shit.
No.
It's so solid and there's no internal upgrade. Whoa.
Don't worry. I want to play domination. Capture the flag.
Okay. That's sick.
We'll do team deathmatch. 2 respawn, 3 lives.
You heard
Lights out.
Oh.
Yes!
Now the lights out or yes?
Yes! No! My
No.
Raise your hand if you wish to keep the lights on.
I'll give you double.
Lights on!
I'm trying to avoid your 911. Lights on.
Let's go!
All right, we'll do lights on. You need real emotion.
I wanna do it with the lights on.
Lights off, baby.
10 minutes.
What happened to your silencer?
I'm getting it for Christmas, okay? Don't make fun of me! Santa's getting it for me! Turn your ass around!
Look like
Hey guys! Bitch!
All right, we'll do 10 minutes on
Santa's real! Now I'm gonna use my pistol.
Yeah, that's going on YouTube.
You guys hear that?
It's not even. Oh, Santa is real!
Uh-huh.
Oh shit!
10 minutes, unlimited respawn.
Hi YouTube! See this guy right here?
we play till our ammo's out.
Barry.
10. What do you smell like? Smell something?
No.
Are you smelling them?
No, just put my camera in your face.
You put it right up to mine.
It's especially crazy when you're falling down and you didn't even know what's going on.
All right, go.
Wait, yeah. Peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly.
Peanut butter jelly.
Armbands are at the bank. How did teams? Wait, Adam, are you still doing teams?
No, we're good.
We're good. Are you sure? Are you sure, Adam?
Yes.
Are you positive, Adam?
There you go.
All right, you two go over there. Yeah, you two go to no man.
Adam, let's be logical.
I didn't do that.
I promise you did.
Clearly you.
I shot you in your vest.
I know. Can I talk to the camera? No. Talk to the camera? All right, now I get to shoot you.
No.
Hey, camera. Hey, YouTube. Do you want to know who Evan's girlfriend is?
Now I get to hit you twice.
No,
I'm kidding, I'm kidding.
and she gives him
Yeah,
aggressive. Hello. Julia.
She's ugly as a motherfucker.
Hey.
His girlfriend's name
No.
is Angelina. Oh, high five. I like. Yes.
Who's the blonde one that was arguing with Big Player on YouTube?
With what?
Big Player 091 on YouTube.
Not me.
Or AJ.
Who's big player 091?
Me.
No. Wait. What? See the sexy pistol? I did all the
I should know, Mac. Shut the fuck up.
AJ. What? Were you in an argument? No. I'd never.
Ah, I love his gun.
look at this beautiful guy. Look who lined up the trigger.
Yeah.
AJ did.
I know, I did.
AJ did.
No. If you ever want any work done, come to Trill 12314.
And if you ever want any gearboxes taken apart from the It's Biscuit.
Oh, top. I like those skills. Ah! Ugh.
Behind you. Hit!
Damn it.
Coming out. Oh, you got a
Rico got me.
Coming through, coming through. Don't shoot! Don't shoot, okay?
I love Kevin.
Alright. You want to go high well?
Yeah, sure. Okay. Damn it!
Bring that. Yo, let's go get my teacher. No, let's go with them. Look, you're the, fine, and plus they're all over here. Let's go, let's go.
Top, I got you low.
Alright. You got me covered? I'm moving.
Yeah, I got you.
Wait, hold on. You out, Kev? Are you?
I need a fuel surface. It's shooting down.
I got it. Ready, Chris?
Wait. Watch that, Evan, watch that.
Is he out? AJ, is he out?
Yeah, yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Oh, I got your blow and then I got your back.
Chris, watch this wall.
I got you. Yeah, you're right.
Ah! I love how everybody runs.
How many?
A lot. I don't know. What? I love this gun.
Go.
AJ, you still there?
Yeah, AJ's still in there.
Hit!
We got pushed out of there. AJ's still in there. He's tapped in.
Right there. You get them?
in there, yeah. Let's go.
Behind that wall over there.
Bang! Oh, sorry. Skip it.
Dude, okay, yo, we're coming back to the TV. Yeah. Let's do it, squash.
Bang! Damn it. Ah! Damn it!
Lay off the spawn!
Woo! Bang! 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 Chris, watch this. Chris, cover me. Knife!
Does that count?
Don't lie.
No, my gun was over your head. You're good.
Alright.
I saw you through the window too. I would get him.
Ah! Whoa! Ah! Bieber, chill, chill.
What happened?
Bieber's bitching
Oh, what?
because they were in our song.